a major open house spoiler alert. You're not going to miss this. Just over my shoulder, right here. Our brand new story station just dropped off today. It's one of the coolest things I've seen in a really long time. You ready for that sneak preview? Ready for the spoiler? Here we go. Okay, I'll step over Pikachu to get to story station. We're hoping kids are just captivated by the books and the characters and the scenes on top. Looks like there's a Pokemon battle going on. We've got some superheroes on top of a related story, and we'll add to that stack as well. Underneath is where kids will come to trade books and keep books and take books and add books and love books. I don't think that heart on the ground is a coincidence. Nothing but love for the story station. This was crafted by Akshat as part of his Eagle Scout project for us, and we're just so thankful. It is beautiful. It's part of our commitment to help all kids learn how to read and ensure that they want to read, because reading motivation matters a lot. So we think this is a really neat way to help with that. It's replacing, years ago, a Greenwood student had built a little free library for us with her grandfather, and it was used for many years and just loved by the community. And things don't last forever. So we didn't want to be without something like this at our school. So now we just have something really to cherish again and to talk about. So that's the spoiler for open house. Pretty cool, huh? I thought so. Thanks again, Akshat.